Hello everyone, welcome back to Heal with Food. So today we've made Gopalji's favorite coconut laddu. Actually, I don't know Gopalji ke favorite hai ki nahi hai, but Rohit ke favorite hai. And it's Rohit's birthday also after some days. And at Heal with Food, we are constantly trying to simplify the cooking process and simplify the ingredients also. All the ingredients are available at home, so no need to go look for fancy ingredients. The only thing that I want to add once again, which I'm mentioning in the video also, is that please don't add a dry fruit to your nut laddus. You can go ahead and add some seeds if you like your watermelon seeds and your muskmelon seeds, but don't add a dry fruit to it. That's about it. Go ahead and watch the video. Please like and subscribe and share. Thank you. Okay guys, today we're making nariyal laddus because it's Janmashtami, and this is what you need. You need sukha nariyal. I'm cutting it into really fine strips and then I'm going to roast it in the oven, and then you need nuts for it. So I'll quickly show you that this is the nariyal, the dried nariyal, which has no water in it, the sukha nariyal, which is called as gari in Hindi. This is the wet nariyal. You don't have to use this. You have to use this. So I'm going to now cut it into strips and put it in the oven for roasting. So guys, this is how the नारियल has got roasted. अब इस नारियल लड्डू की ना एक अलग कहानी है, वो मैं आपको बनाते समय बताऊंगी. So now we'll just wait for this नारियल to get a little cool and then grind it in your dried jar mixie. Okay. So after grinding your roasted coconut, it will look something like this, guys. So इसकी कहानी ये है कि जब मैं ये मसाला बना रही थी, the one that I put in the lauki and everything. This is desi khand. I don't have gur or shakkar today, jaggery powder at home today, so I am using this. But please don't use date paste और refined sugar. Date paste इसलिए नहीं because ये nut है and ये सारे nuts हैं and we don't mix nuts and dry fruits. And refined sugar is not vegan and it's a white poison. So this is desi khand. So I will not be able to taste this today. So I'm just putting it with andaza. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What do you think it's?
That's it.
That's it? 9 and 10 because you always say meetha nahi hai. So, okay. So the story behind this laddu is that जब मैं मसाला का R&D कर रही थी, I used to make that masala in so many different ways. So one day I roasted it in the oven and it was this brown, and mom said ये तो जल गया है, इसको मत डालना मसाले में. So then that day we decided कि चलो पीस के देखते हैं कुछ और. And then this is how ऐसे करते करते ये लड्डू बन गया. And then this has come out to be one of Rohit's favorites. He really likes it. And today being Janmashtami, so I'm not going to taste this because I'm making this for Laddu Gopalji's bhog also. So I can't taste the meetha in it. Otherwise usually I taste it and then adjust it. Although आज मेरे को लग रहा है 10 spoons of. So I had taken 2 nariyals and 10 spoons of desi khand. Just don't use, once again saying, don't use any dry fruit to sweeten this because nuts and dry fruits don't have to be mixed. If you're making a nut laddu, make a nut laddu. If you're making a dry fruit laddu, then make just a dry fruit laddu. There's a difference in their digestive time. Now, once you pulse it, इसमें automatically the oil will come out and you don't really need to add extra oil. But in case, it depends upon the quality of the coconut also that you're using. Like today, my quality of coconut has not given me too much of oil. So I've kept this cold pressed organic coconut oil. So I'm going to add a couple of spoons into it so that I can bind these laddus together. So, okay. Gently. So I think 3-4 spoons of coconut oil must have gone. And now you'll be able to easily bind these. Once you check that how much oil is needed कि ये bind होना शुरू हो जाए, because it depends upon your quality of coconut also. Like today mine it was very dry, it needed some oil. Then you can just bind these laddus like this and give it a round shape and put it in your plate. And then in the end I'm going to put cashews on all of them on top. And आज जन्माष्टमी है, so आज गोपाल जी का हो जाएगा. And after some days it's Rohit's birthday, so रोहित का भी इसी में हो जाएगा मीठा.
Thank you for lovely gift in advance.
Yeah, baby. I know how much you like meetha, but this is the best that I can do. And these laddus are anyway one of the best accidental laddus that we've had in our kitchen. I remember I had gifted it to my grandfather last year and he was so happy with these. It's just that he is not around this year. But now whenever I make these laddus, I miss him. So that's it, Rohit. Thank you for shooting. You can now go to the office. Okay, guys, out of 2 nariyals, we've got these many laddus. I'm going to embed these cashew nuts slightly more in after I freeze it for some time, because right now the nariyal laddus are very soft and if I'm going to try and poke them in, they're going to break. So I will do that later, but this is it, guys. These laddus are the best thing, and please do make it and please tell us if you have better recipes.